Remember when Google released the Magic Eraser on the Pixel 6, which can remove unwanted objects from your favorite photos very easily? Well, now a new Twitter user, X user, uploaded a video on Twitter. X. Oh, come on, bro, it's confusing. Anyway, so in the video we get a glimpse of the new Pixel 8 series and its new color and rounded edges, but more specifically a new feature which will be named as the Audio Magic Eraser. What it does, as you can see, it can manipulate and isolate background noises and even enhance audio from your videos in the Google Photos app. But for now, this feature will be an exclusive to the Pixel series, but sooner or later it will come to all the other Android devices like the Pixel 6 Magic Eraser, which was exclusively available to the Pixel 6 series at launch, but later on was added to the other Android devices. Even though I do think Samsung did it first, the Magic Eraser feature. What do you think? Do let me know. But with this, a new color of the Pixel 8 also surfaced, which will come along the previous colors of the Pixel 8 and the Pixel 8 Pro. And also here are some of the wallpapers which might come with the Pixel 8 and the Pixel 8 Pro respectively. The Pixel 8 will come with 128GB and 256GB storage options, and the Pixel 8 Pro will come with 128GB, 256GB and 512GB storage options. Where the base 128GB Pixel 8 will cost you around 54,000 Indian rupees or $650, and the base variant 8 Pro, that is 128GB, will cost you around 75,000 Indian rupees or about $900 US. On the top is the link to let you know more about the Pixel 8, so do give it a click and also do click the subscribe button down below. It's free. Bye.